Hello, Steve McGranahan here. Y'all might have seen me on TV a few hundred times over the past 10 years. What I do is I come to your event and I rip decks of cards, make horseshoe hearts, been big old spikes and I even been little ones, sign autographs, take pictures with fans. I can do everything from convention booths for your company to your church. So call Tim Grable at the end of this little picture montage that I'm making here. Hope I pointed the right way. Anyhow, to draw people to your events. Steve McGranahan, take care. Call Tim now and I'll come and tear some stuff up for you. Bye.